So let's take a look at a simple example. We have the sum of n factorial times times x to the n. So you can plug in values like x is equal to 2. Right, so I'm going to plug in a value here. N equals 1 to infinity n factorial of 2 to the n. And hopefully you remember from the very first test that I ever taught you. It was the divergence test. And that one says that if whatever you're adding, right, these terms that we're adding, if they don't eventually go to 0, then your series has to diverge. That's why it's called the divergence test, has to diverge. So what happens here as n gets really, really big? Well, we know n factorial goes to infinity, and we know 2 to the n goes to infinity. So infinity times infinity, well, just gives me a bigger infinity. So the whole point is this is not going to converge. No way. So we already know for values like 2, 5, 100, it's not going to converge. Well, what if we take a look at something we might be kind of curious about but don't know for sure? So let's say 1/3.